الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Assalamu alaikum. Mu'minin wal mu'minat. I want to attract your attention to this video of Dan Gibson. He says, Petra is full of trees, Mecca is not. And we want to say that is the reason which confirms the history of Mecca city, of the Kaaba, and of Islam as a whole. Islam did not flourish in Petra, which is full of trees. It started with Mecca, the desert city. That is what we get in Islam's history. Whenever we read Hadith, we find that Mecca was a desert city. Its name was Paran. It was devoid of any kind of trees, any kind of vegetation. Hazrat Hazara radiallahu ta'ala anha and son Ismail had to live there, and Allah gave them water of Zamzam, and surrounding that Zamzam by degrees grew the Mecca city. And after that, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam re-established Kaaba at the site of Becca, the valley of Becca, in between the hills of Marwa and Safa. That is the history of the Kaaba city, Mecca. When Dan Gibson says that Petra is full of trees, he unwittingly, without knowing what he is doing, he says that Islam never flourished in Petra. Because Islamic history says that Islam flourished in the desert, not in a city full of trees. I think I have been successful to convey my message to the viewers. Dan Gibson is wrong to point out wrongfully that Islam flourished in Petra. Petra was a pagan city, and it was destroyed before the birth of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Islam had no relation with Petra city. Dan Gibson unwittingly confirmed the history of Islam, history of Mecca, history of the Kaaba. Thank you all for watching and hearing. Allah Hafiz.